When you come and take blood clot set for me like I'm telling you fuck for not like Ali Button, eh? When I come talk about say I want people for them blood clot things, eh? Me not love the person. First when I say nobody no want me. First when I say me buy the things them. Now when you come for realize say somebody and me really there. Oh, me not want the person. Me needs me there. You don't even know nothing about the girl. You don't know nothing about the person. You don't know who the person is. In personality, they can get anybody to date. And everybody go for looks and certain things. But you see, one time people live certain lifestyle and a big fuck out or in front of them, you take on a step and you take set from blood clot them. And none of blood clot, you big pussy girl may drive down on a blood clot and fuck on up. And that me I tell blood clot, you hear me say? I use up my woman money for pay a liar. Don't fuck on yourself with me. That me a bumbo clot tell you. You hear that? Come in and know none of una. Me and none of blood clot mate. Stop call me name. Do you hear that? Stop mention my bomber ass clot name Bridget. Oh. First thing when I got the bag. I heard that my bag was fake. My bag is bought in a real authentic Louis Vuitton store. My bag has my signature on it, right? I heard that I buy my stuff myself and I see all of these fucking disgusting comments. Let me remind you guys, I always talk to high value men. Me no go low. Me no blood clot go low. Me never fuck scammer virgin. And it's real life. I don't. Cause scammer and me make the same money. You know make no sense me go fuck a nigga where I make 10 grand like me or 20 grand like me. I don't fuck certain niggas. And it's just the truth. So one of them come now and not attack as other things. It's so weird. It's like when I contradict on one fucking self and the whole group I want to feel like say something good and I do. And not attack all of these things. My girlfriend I say all of them something here. It not looking good. The whole fucking week for months down there on me. One time I see other woman get them things and them a do what them want to do. I don't see nobody bringing them down on the internet. All of these so-called influencers, I'm tell you something, you're not bumbo-clad influencers, brother. I am not no influencer. I don't want to have nothing to do with none of you. I don't want the likings from none of you, virgin. I don't want none of you to like me. I don't want none of you to like bumbo-clad me. Go suck on a mother, brother. Go suck on a big pussy mama, go dead summer, virgin. One time I did on my life, I'm there here, I don't see someone on the comment, you know. If me even say something positive, you know. If me even there here, I do something positive, you know. On the day you have to screen a card and cut up and spread your own the fuckery narrative. For bring down. But if you go take up one bumbo clap man a roadside way and you're out a garbage pan, for you come blood clot pity me. Hey, you go suck on a blood clot man and lower my bumbo clot, you know. And that me I tell you is me go pull up my bumbo clot, BMW bumbo clot and can find on a puck up on a bumbo clot. And that me I tell you no. You know lower for me. Lower for my bumbo rascal name. Me and uno no mate. Me sure say she not message none of uno. So uno no need for the for me. Me never tell none of you say, me a name out nobody. Me never tell you that. Me will never have no discussion and say, oh, me a name out nobody. Enough blood clot rich man left in the darkness. And when you look good, girl, you have good pussy. You left blood clot boy with them money and left them sad and lonely. You understand? Not because you not used to know at all. Because most of you have blood clot depend on some dirty girl when you used to know. And me can see it clearly. Don't fuck on a bumbo clot self, virgin. No, I do too much now. It's so awful. I had to come up my fucking hotel room, left the bee in there because here what? Me no want to see them something and see the emotion to in me right now because only they even know where we go through and what happened and all of these things. You don't know at all, you don't feel like you don't know things. You don't feel like you don't know things.